Welcome. If you want to download pictures from Instagram on your Vivo Y11S, at the first you have to move for the Play Store, tap on search pool and type Repost for Instagram. You can also take it from the quick list, and we have to download this application from Kimsey929. Now just wait. Open. And here is the preview how we can download the pictures when we are on the Instagram. So right now let's close it and move to the Instagram. I will take this photo, then click, for example, here or here. I will go for the three dots, then click to share. Select Repost for Instagram application. Open this application. And we were downloading this photo. Of course, it takes 3 photos from the post, but we are main on this one. We can take off the signature by clicking here, and if you want to save to the gallery, just click here. And as you can see, it's finished. So right now, when we open our gallery or just files, it will be here. And as you can see, that's how we can download these photos. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.